Oh my god. The main goal was to survive the night. Okay, so this is my last meal before I go out in the wilderness. A cup of iced tea, pilau. Alright, for that, I can't even eat. Go like shake it at the Gabriel do us. Just drink out the iced tea and that was it. I go and get ready, start the pack. So there I'll be carrying my bag with shoes, water, some canned foods, 2 flashlights, one is crank up, and a normal one, my tripod, a little mat, and then my camera stuff. But my battery's not charging right now, so it's currently empty. I have knives and stuff in here. Alright, so we're off and we're embarking on a journey that, oh my god, I done start to get scared already. This dog scared me already, boy. Hey, this is going to be the longest 24 hours of my life. So like the rain is coming down, so I have to try to make a camp as soon as possible. Now bear in mind, I've never made a tent before. I've never went camping before. So all of this is just new to me. Look where we are. I want to go a little bit more deeper, probably in more any trees or something. I don't know if that's a good or bad idea, but I mean it's a first time for everything, right? Always looks like it happen. Alright, so I settled for like this little cove thing here. It have a little covering and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I could set up base here quickly because the weather changing. And I really nervous, I don't get scared. A breeze blew and some leaves, I thought it was something run up on me behind already. So I'm gonna try to clear out here and set up the base. So I think this spot a little too uneven after I clear with the branches and the leaves. I think it's a little too uneven, so I'm going to try to find a place a little more flat and we'll set up there. Alright, so I cleared a little piece here in the another area, the bamboo. It was a little more flat and this is where I'll be setting up. I watched a video to put up a tent with a freaking tarpaulin and wood. I had to move real quick. I don't know how long this is going to take, and the rain is coming down. Alright, the ground here is way too hard. Way too hard. So what I'm going to try to do is going to try to use this piece of burnt bamboo here. Put this here like this. Okay. I have no idea if this is going to work. Okay, so let me start by saying this is horrible, but it's the best I could really do. I mean, The ground here is way too hard to just, you know, keep on sticking the bamboo in. So I made a little, yeah, this is, it's real horrible, but first time I doing this, and I don't know, it's what I'm going to have to do. It's what I'm going to have to do it for the next 24 hours. Okay, so this is it. This is my home for the next 24 hours. It's real scrappy, come on. Forgive me, my first time, you should be proud of even outside. Okay? So, you know, this is... Let's focus. This is what we have here, final product. Time to get comfortable. I'm hungry, can't remember, I didn't eat. I have 2 cans of sausage, that's all I brought. So I'm probably gonna eat some of one and pack it away nice and tight and try to get comfortable. I think the best way to get through this is to sleep it through now, boy. But basically it's just, you know, if I survive the night, that'll be good. That is all, that is my main goal actually. Not even the whole 24 hours. If I survive the night, that'll be good. But if this thing come down and collapse, I go in my bed. I go in right back in my house. I ain't even gonna beat up. Okay, time check. The time is 5:10. It's been an hour I've been outside here. I'm already tired. I was gonna do some exploring, but I think I could save that till tomorrow. So it have real flies, and I spraying this around the place. Listen, if this gets too bad, if this gets too bad, I sorry, but not the end of the video. But I will try my best. I see an ant, something that's what is even just mosquitoes alone. It's an insect repellent. I mean, should do something more than that, dog. So like, I lie down here and my imagination just having me real scared. I real thing going through my mind right now. Like if I run into the next person out here, like it's not really supposed to have nobody out here, you know. And I just have that on my mind, and that have me real scared. Like I almost fall asleep, but then that run on my mind. I was like, shit. Alright guys, so it's finally gotten a little bit dark. It's 20 past 6. I sleep a little bit and get back up. It have this beetle making a lot of noise. I don't know if you're hearing it, but it's almost deafening. Okay, so the sun officially set now, and I look like I'm going to tell a scary story, but trust me, I'm definitely not, because if I tell a scary story, I'm going to go right back inside. I am not playing with my 3 points at all. I can't even see anything but my camera because I shine a light in my eye and it bothered me. But anyways, it's starting to get a little cool and starting to get hungry, but I don't really want to waste the sausages. Not waste, but I don't really want to eat the sausages right now because I'll be out here whole day tomorrow now, so I just drinking this water here. And hopefully that should keep me for the night. Worrying about going to sleep hungry and thing. Hard times. But how you all enjoyed my TikTok video though? I really put on some dance moves, eh? I know I look real good. Well, I upload the video today because today's Monday. I know new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And a few people message me and say that was real funny, I know kind of thing, man. They probably clowning me in a dog, but you know, all fun. It's about having fun, right? I mean, there's nothing else to really do. I feel I'll make a next one. Jesus. So I was talking and I just hear something hit my tripod. So I fling my light soon away. But I just kick a bamboo on it. Dog, hey, listen. I don't know how long I'm going to talk to Oli again because I real scared boy dog boy. Just trying to calm myself. Know that I have nothing out here. I'll be good. And I'll try to go and sleep as soon as possible. Probably first I'm going to sleep early. And I'll see you guys in the morning. "5:34. As I decide to wake up, all the parrots decide to wake up. So we're here, there are parrots from all over there. Rain fell a little bit last night, but the shelter hold up a bit. Everything here remain dry. You know, sleep, it was a hard time sleeping because I was a little bit uncomfortable because the ground was a little hard. But the main goal was achieved, which was to survive the night. And we did it. It was a little cool. I had to put on socks and stuff. Good thing I went with socks, so you know, I'll be freezing. Yeah, so right now I'm a little hungry. Girl. Jesus Christ. Because I didn't eat, so I'm gonna eat a little sausage I have here for breakfast. And I'll save the other one for later. So we actually have a river in the back here that I'm gonna show you right now. So I could just make it through this horrible patch of ground. If you all can see how uneven this is. Everything looks so peaceful though. Starting to get hot. I'll take out this jacket just now. My guys, I present to you the Brazil River in the back of my house. Now you see, my wild self would probably take something like this and throw it in the water. You see, I by myself now, boy, and I don't probably want to wake up the alligators and the crocodiles and the caimans to come and, you know, run up on my block and take my 3 points. So I go on it. I real fighting it right now to throw a piece of something in the water. I don't know why. Real wild. I real fight it. You need for something to come out and drag my foot, and you see me going down, so yeah, I'm real glad for all, yeah. Who like to go in river and things, see me? Not me and river. So what did I learn from this experience? Well, I learned never to take the simple things for granted. Family, friends, food, shelter. It also made me realize that the outdoors are fun and that the moon is actually really bright, brighter than I thought. The trip was fun, it was humbling, but will I ever do it again? Probably not. This was GabrielMooreTv, and I'll see you guys in the next one.